From above, Arraial da Juda reveals one of the most charming landscapes on Brazil's coastline. Among cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and the deep blue waters of the Atlantic Ocean stands the historic Church of Our Lady of Help, one of the region's most important landmarks. Built by Jesuit missionaries in the mid-16th century, this church is among the oldest religious buildings in Brazil, still in operation today. Its privileged location atop a seaside cliff offers breathtaking views and reflects the rich history of this village, which has become one of Bahia's most beloved destinations. Surrounding the church is the famous Largo da Juda, the historic heart of the village. For centuries, this square has welcomed residents, travelers, and pilgrims seeking faith, peace, and inspiration. Arraial da Juda is part of the municipality of Porto Seguro, a region often considered the birthplace of Brazilian history. Here, historical heritage, local culture, lush nature, and a warm atmosphere come together to create a truly unforgettable destination. Surrounded by coconut groves, paradise beaches, and well-preserved colonial architecture, the village has maintained a rare balance between tourism and tradition while preserving its unique identity through the centuries. Today, the Church of Our Lady of Help remains one of Bahia's most photographed landmarks, symbolizing not only the region's religious heritage, but also the cultural and historical richness that makes Arraial da Juda such a special place. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to join us on future flights and discover amazing destinations from above.